What's up, I'm AT Yo-Yo Superstar and we're gonna do a tutorial really fast. Looks like this. First, throw a double or nothing. Boom, goes around both fingers, that's why it's called a double or nothing. Then you're going to reach through with your thumb and pinch this front string off your non-throw hand. Pull it through, then open it up, pull this top string right on through, stick another finger in to open up this triangle, and boom, you've got a tower. If you need help, first, throw a trapeze, then kick it off over your throw hand, then scoop it under, boom, you are in your double or nothing just like this. Then you can again pinch this string going off your non-throw hand pointer, pull it through, open it up with your thumb and pointer, nice and big. Then you're going to grab this string that's coming off the top of your throw hand pointer, pull that through, stick a few fingers in there to open it up, and you can drop this. This is not a green triangle configuration or anything like that, so you will not get a knot. You'll usually see me throw this trick if I'm just noodling around. I can throw it in some combos really fast if I want to, just to show off a quick tower picture trick, which everyone loves picture tricks, so why wouldn't you? If you liked it and if you did it, please tag me in your videos of the trick, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.